This week's episode features my first attempt at making savory roast potatoes. Ingredients: thoroughly wash and only peel one of the potatoes. Use a mandoline to thinly slice both potatoes. Just showing you how thin the potato slices are. Put the skinless potatoes in one bowl and the skinned potatoes in another. To the skinless potatoes, add smoked paprika and garlic granules to the other. Add lemon and herb seasoning to the skinless potatoes and dried parsley to the other. And finally, some ground black pepper too. To both potatoes, drizzle with olive oil or an oil of your choice. Using your hands, rub the seasoning into the potatoes until they are evenly coated. Place cling film on a clean surface or on a cutting board. Place a thin strip of baking paper on top. For each potato roast, lay out a slice of bacon on top of the baking paper. Make sure each potato is overlapping as you line the bacon. Alternate between the two varieties of seasoned potatoes. Beginning at one end, gently roll up the bacon to form a potato roast. I only had enough potatoes to make 4 servings, but as you can see, I really wanted 6. Bake in a preheated oven set to 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Reduce to 190 degrees Celsius, cover with tin foil, and bake for 30 minutes. That's all there is to it. Allow to cool before serving. For a first attempt, I am so pleased with how beautiful they turned out. There was no need to salt them because of the bacon. The flavors also blended well together and complemented each other. I rate them a solid 8 out of 10. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Love you all and God bless.